Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be analyzing the market overall. We will see where is going to move over the next days and weeks, and also we will be reviewing our predictions made only few and some weeks ago. More in specific, we will be analyzing Cardano, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and again we will see where they're going to move over the next weeks. Please subscribe to our channel to receive our real-time trading signals and our analysis on stocks, forex, commodities, and cryptos. You can join our growing community at patreon.com/financial trading academy. Right now we are giving out a 1 week free, a free week, so you will have the chance to evaluate our modus operandi. Okay, let's start with Cardano. Only 2 days ago we have recorded a video where I've been clearly stating that I was not a fan of what I was seeing. For two reasons, mainly because of a bearish divergence and also because of a lackness in terms of volumes. I've been also stating that the whales, the strong hands, are clearly trying to move out the market from the retailers, from the small retailers. The reason is simple. They are trying to make panicking the retail traders, while they are buying. Okay, so now I will explain to you what is going to happen over the next weeks. If you had the chance to watch my previous video, I've been clearly stating that as of or since April I was expecting a period of weakness. Between June and July we will be actually experiencing a very strong bullish movement. Yet we need to see Bitcoin before hitting 24,000 US dollar. Now, for a while, we will switch to the Bitcoin chart. Actually, when it was worth in 29,700 US dollars, there is a video that I've recorded on YouTube. I've been actually stating that Bitcoin was doomed to move downwards. So until Bitcoin will be moving above the aforementioned area between 23 and 24,000 US dollars, we cannot consider the weakness that is going on right now over. Okay, so again, coming back to Cardano, what we see here, a long black candle breaking below one of the two bands. When that happens, that actually means that there is a period of panicking. Okay, because here obviously we are breaking below the lower band. Okay, if we were breaking above the upper band, that was a period of big optimism. Okay. Now, if we analyze the cyclicality, if we pay attention to the two curves here, we see that the red curve is moving downwards and is pointing till, let's say, till moving till the end of June. Okay. And now we will be back to this time frame because it's extremely important to what I'm saying. Okay. Yet there is a divergence which is getting wider between the azul and the red curve. Okay, that means that we are inside an extreme movement. Again, if you have the chance, the possibility to watch my previous video, I've been clearly stating that Cardano at the time was only 2 days ago at 0.32 US dollar. Actually, I was predicting Cardano keeping moving downwards, which actually is happening right now. So what we should be expecting for the market, okay? I've been clearly stating several times that we are not moon guys, okay? We try to stick to the reality. We try to study the cyclicality, okay? We make our considerations based on pure mathematics and physics, okay? We try not to be involved in stupid chat about impossible targets like we have seen for XRP. Those are just clickbait videos, okay? That's not our style, okay? So you will never hear from the Financial Trading Academy stating that XRP is going to move till 15,000 US dollar or 30,000 US dollar like I've seen, because this is not going to happen. This is not going to happen, okay? So we try to be as much as professional as we can, okay? Now, for a second we will be moving to Bitcoin and then I will tell you what is going to happen over the next weeks. Okay, now in terms of Bitcoin chart, we are inside a bullish cycle. Okay, The bullish cycle started in November 2022. Okay, right now the average cyclicality, the average daily cyclicality for Bitcoin is around 10-11 months. Okay, so we expect the very first year of this new bull run inside the 4.5 years of weekly cycle keeping moving till November 2023. But what is going to happen is that we have detected two sub-cycle of 6 months. Okay, I know that it might means a little bit difficult to understand, but now I will arrive to the point. Okay, two sub-cycle of 6 months. So that's why we expect the weakness starting in April. So the end of the weakness will be between between June and July. Then from July we will have 3 months of very strong rise. July, August, September, and then October, November, and partially December weakness to close the 1 year cycle. Okay, so we are still at the beginning of June. That means that probably the weakness is not over. Okay, and as you can see here in terms of cyclicality, we are still pointing downwards. Yet, even in this case, we see that the red curve is widening out from the azure one, and I will explain what that means. Okay, right now Bitcoin is worth 25,600 US dollars. Still, there is still space till hitting what is our natural target at 24,000 US dollars. In our Patreon page, we have explained the reasons why we believe that Bitcoin is doomed to move till that area, and actually we are very, very, very close to this area. Okay, now let's move on and let's analyze Ethereum. For Ethereum, we said when it was worth around 2,000 US dollars that probably Ethereum was doomed to move till 1617. Okay, right now we are at 1740, so we're almost there. There is the chance to see Ethereum keeping moving downwards till this area. Okay, 165, 16 more or less. Again, in terms of cyclicality, we see that even in this case, the daily cycle is pointing towards the end of June. So again, the situation looks very clear to me, absolutely clear, and actually I'm very happy because it is happening exactly what I was predicting and what you can see on my previous videos, okay, where I've been clearly stating that that was the path. So now coming to the current situation, okay, the current market is clearly manipulated. Okay, what they want, obviously the cyclicality is much more important than the news. Okay, that's something that the 95% of the population outside there doesn't understand. Okay, so that's because there are mathematical formulas that's why I was confident in this period of the weakness which is actually happening. Okay, so it was widely expected, and I've been warning my patrons. At the same time, given the cyclicality, I believe that the market will be skyrocketing between July, August, and September. So what is happening right now is an absolutely great buy opportunity. So now, right now, every dip will be a buy opportunity. Again, final target, or at least the very first target for Bitcoin, between 23,000-24,000 US dollar. Keep in mind the time frame. Okay, so June, July, the window is June and July, so the end of the weakness will be between June and July. From July, I expect a very strong rise. Okay, guys, if you want to receive our insights, our newsletter, our studies, and obviously the trading insignias on crypto, stocks, forex, and commodities, you can join our community at patreon.com/financial trading academy. You will have the access on tier 2 for 1 free week if you want to test us. Thank you, guys.